Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe my channel. It helped me eh, to create more content like this. Today I'm back with new problem fix with Bluestack. If you're having problem like when you play a game on Bluestack like that, let me show you. I'm gonna mute
Let's get this
this.
party started.
I'm gonna mute this sound. Okay. So if you are right, I'm playing a live brawl star. Okay. Uh, let's see. Okay, I'm not having any glitches here. You can see that glitches. You can see that glitches that when playing like Brawl Stars and many other thing. Like having some here. You can see. Uh, so I can fix that. I'm going to show you how to fix it. If you're having this problem and you have a external GPU, can finish and so let's do it. If you're having this problem like me, so you can first of all just go to the setting, then go to graphics option. If your interface renderer, it will you need to set this auto, and if you are using DirectX, then select OpenGL, and ATX renderer you need to disable it. And GPU news, you need to check this icon if you have external GPU. So I have GTX 1650. I have let's see here, angle NVIDIA GeForce GTS. It's using that one. So save changes and restart now. We need to restart the BlueStack for opening. So let's restart the BlueStack. Okay, my BlueStack has restarted. So let's see. I have the same problem. Let's see. I'm going to get into the match again. So let's see. Let's see. You can see that I don't have any stutter problem here. So let's play more. Then okay, I'm dead. I play in mobile. It's born bit more accurate to aim because it's let's for aiming and the control you can confuse with that if you're not playing so much with the BlueStack player with your keyboard mouse. So let's face it. Oh, I'm standing there now, man. It's a bit problem, I know, but let's see. Okay, 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 okay. Oh no, no, I need to. Oh, one more. Oh shit, man, I didn't get to finish. Oh no, it's it. Okay, let's see. Don't push. Oh no, he was dead too. Sometimes my random teammates is too bad to playing, man. It's too bad. So no, man. So you can see I played the whole match and didn't stutter a thing. Uh, so that's it. You can fix this. If you're having this problem, then use DirectX. Some game prefer OpenGL or some game prefer DirectX. If you're having problem with DirectX, then get to the OpenGL, go to the OpenGL setting, and if you're having with OpenGL setting problem, then go to the DirectX. And I have shown you that disable some things in your graphics option. That will go to auto option. Here you can see OpenGL, DirectX, and disable. That's it, guys. If you like the video, please like and subscribe my channel. It will help me grow my channel, and it helps a lot if you like the video. So see you next video, guys. Sorry for my bad language, bad English. I'm not expert in English. If you have any problem in your video, in your any more problem, just comment me in the description. I will get to you soon.